Families, investors, welcome. If you're looking for a project, you have to keep watching. You find me on Castle Crescent, a highly sought after conservation area just 10 minutes from Reading town. The property behind me is a rare gem, spanning over 3,300 square feet that oozes character. So whether you're looking to create your dream home or you're an investor looking to create multiple luxury apartments in a prime location, this property is one that you will want to see. Let's head in and we'll take a look. So much potential, I'm sure you'll agree. To schedule your viewing today, get in touch with the team at the office and we can't wait to meet you here at Castle Crescent.